everyone, myself Raghavendra. I want to share about my success story at CMTI. I am from Mandya. I have completed my graduation in Power Engineering College 2018. After that, I have a 1 year site experience in Mysore. After 1 year experience, my professor suggested me to go to CMTI Bangalore to gain your knowledge. After I joining this CMTI, I learned so many things. First, I learned how to prepare a CV, how to do mail. After that, Natarajan sir, he has a 35 years experience here. Natarajan sir took reading of drawing and sequence of construction and how to do calculations. After that, Vamshi sir took a planning project and teach me how to do a primavera. And Anand sir took a interior design about modular kitchen, wardrobe, crockery units. And after that, we visit a site visit BGRT in Bangalore. It's a green building, green building. And after that, Natarajan took me a site visit to mark the layout planning. So after all this, I attended the interview at one of the corporate company. After 3 rounds, I selected that company. Finally, I thanked to Ashok sir, Deepa ma'am, Shweta ma'am, Arshita ma'am. So